When basic troubleshooting fails, several advanced methods can help resolve persistent YouView update loops. These techniques require more technical knowledge, but often provide solutions when simpler approaches don't work. The first advanced method is manually forcing an update through the hidden service menu. This process varies by YouView model, but typically involves accessing diagnostic menus during off-peak hours when network traffic is lower. Clearing the update cache removes corrupted temporary files that may be blocking the installation process. This option, when available, can resolve issues where updates download but fail to install properly. Insufficient storage space is a common cause of update loops. YouView boxes need at least 20% free storage for updates, but 25% or more is recommended for optimal performance. Prevention is always better than troubleshooting. Several key strategies can significantly reduce the likelihood of experiencing update loops in the future. Network stability is crucial for successful updates. Use a wired connection when possible, ensure you have at least 2 megabits per second bandwidth, and schedule updates during off-peak hours between 2 and 6 a.m. A well-configured network setup with wired connections provides the most reliable foundation for YouView updates. Avoid relying on wireless connections for critical system updates. Regular maintenance prevents most update issues. Restart your YouView box weekly to clear temporary files, monitor storage to maintain at least 25% free space, and allow updates to occur during the optimal 2 to 6 a.m. window. YouView is actively developing new technologies to reduce update failures and improve the user experience. These innovations will make update loops increasingly rare. Cloud-based updates will reduce local storage requirements by streaming updates directly to devices. This approach minimizes storage-related failures and provides better recovery options when problems occur. Artificial intelligence will enable predictive update management, analyzing device conditions and network status to prevent failures before they happen. This proactive approach will dramatically reduce update loop incidents. Modular updates will break large system updates into smaller, component-based pieces. This approach reduces failure risk, decreases download times, and allows partial updates to succeed even if individual components fail. If advanced troubleshooting methods don't resolve the issue, contact your internet service provider. They often have knowledge of model-specific problems or regional network issues that may be affecting YouView updates in your area.